Hello and welcome back to Connor's Chemistry. We're going to look at quite a 1-mark question this time, but it's covalent bonding. And this is something that will come up in, could be both of your chemistry exams, but it's something that you're going to have to learn to do. So if we read the question, hydrogen chloride, HCl, is a gas. Okay, so it's telling us it's a gas. It's hydrogen and chlorine bonded together, so actually they're both non-metals. So already I need to be thinking, right, I've got circles, I've got two non-metals bonded together, so I've got covalent bonding, and that's when two non-metals will share electrons. Okay, so already I'm ready, because I've seen those circles, I know I'm going to have to draw some sharing of electrons between hydrogen and chlorine. So it says complete, which means I actually need to do it. The diagrams show all the arrangement of the outer shell electrons of the hydrogen and chlorine atoms in hydrogen chloride. Now, because it says atoms and it is covalent bonding, there are no ions involved. There's no charge, there's no gaining or loss, the loss of electrons. We are just sharing. So we need to figure out how many they're going to share. Okay, so if we think hydrogen has 1 electron, okay, chlorine on its outer shell. That's the only thing you need to draw is those outer shells. You don't need to kind of add any other circles to them. Chlorine has 7 on the outside shell, which kind of means to have a full outer shell, hydrogen wants to share 1 and chlorine wants to share 1. So actually together they react really, really well. So hydrogen's only got 1 electron, so we're going to draw that in this circle. Okay, we'll draw that as an X. Now, because I know it wants to share 1 other, I can draw 1 of chlorine at the side. Now I use circles for those. So I've drawn 1, I've got 6 more to do. So if I draw another, that's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know now that they are sharing, if I cover up the hydrogen, this has got 2, 4, 6, 8, because they're sharing that 1. And if I cover up chlorine, this one's now got 2 they are sharing. Okay, in terms of how they would look bonded together, BH, Cl, and this one line here would represent that 1 pair of electrons that are being shared. Now it's good practice to do lots of these, especially things like methane, CH4, CO2, O2, Cl2, all of those non-metals that are covalently bonding. It's a good idea to have a practice and make sure you're okay with drawing as many of those as possible.